we are going to have a Thai beauty haul here. Uh, Thai beauty haul here. So kanina I ate already the suri. I posted already. I'm munching suri now, but I will upload the video later on. I think it's uploaded already. So I'm going to show you what I got from Thai beauty. Let's go. The products here are from Tofu and Eat and Boy. Of course, Thailand's essential. Different inhaler. So this is from Poison, the yellow one. I have the yellow one, the green one, and then this is from, I think, what brand is this? I don't remember what brand is this, but it's in Thai. This one. Then of course one from Pastel Inhaler. Let's open one. Let's see if this. I have the vanilla one though, and this one is okay. This is more on a mint one. Then this one, of course, Black Inhaler, my fave. So I'm gonna reserve this. Then then this is from Tofu Shop. I've got three from Tofu Shop. So how did I get this? Pinasabay ko siya kay Joshi. If you know Joshi, check out my box. He's my friend and he traveled to Thailand and pinasabay ko lang to. This is from Tofu. This is Haya Boy Whitening Body Soap. And this is the niacinamide moisturizing whitening soap. And of course, ito yung sa Vaseline Glutathione. Ito yung lotion nila na hindi pa available sa Pinas. I got this na. Then this is from Polkasan. Ito yung, yung collaboration with Polkasan. This is the 12 plus glitter cologne. Ayan. Ito yung hinahanap ko matagal na laging sold out to sa pasabay shops. Then, majority of here are from Eve and Boy. Ayan. Eve and Boy na siya kasi mostly I love ano, actually, I love that's going to But before I forgot also, this is from a gacha from GMM TV shop. This is the Feliz keychain. I think this is Artist NFC. I don't know. It's like this. Artist NFC. Sabi, dapat kay Joshi to. Pero sabi ko, akin na lang. Akin na lang to kasi I love Feliz. If you know Abracadabra, you will relate. First off, I'm going to show this from Eve and Boy. Itong first natin, this is the Cute Press Makeup Fixing Spray. I've been hearing about good reviews for this. So let's see. I don't have a cutter. Yung cutter ko nasa studio pa. Kunin ko lang, wait lang. Okay. So we are going to, it is a fixing spray ng Cute Press. I've been hearing good reviews about this. And finally, I got this. Ang hirap hanapin to sa Shopee. So it's like this. So ganito yung niya. It's very fixing talaga. I heard good reviews about it. Next one, this is from Maybelline. Ito yung sa Hello Kitty nila. So ito yung collaboration ni Maybelline sa Kitty. I wanted to get the powder, so I'm in the shade 118 with this one. So I found the collab from Hello Kitty from Maybelline. Then next one, this is from Brow It. Ito yung brow pencil and blending cushion nila, guys. So, I need a cutter talaga kasi ang hirap tanggalin ng mga tape nila here. Mostly, ang hirap tanggalin yung mga tape. This is, alam mo kung bakit pinaano ko to kay Joshi? Kasi mas mura doon compared dito sa atin. Kasi this is the prices that are very, alam mo yung mga ganitong makeup brands na available sa Thailand, wala dito madalas sa Pilipinas. So, we're going to try this. Okay, this is a good brow pencil, bitches. This is a good brow pencil, guys. Guys, this is a good one. Then we're gonna use the cushion. Ayan. Guys, this is a good one. Oh my god, I love it. That's why it's so pretty in here. Then, this is an, primer. Actually, this is only available in Thailand. It's not available here in the Philippines kasi may for you to na dito sa Pilipinas, guys. This is the for you to matte blur primer. This is the matte blur primer nila. So, Next up, ito yung pinaka best-selling na eyeliner. This from Miss Teen. This from Miss Teen. This is their eyeliner. Sorry guys, kasi ayan. The eyeliner from Miss Teen. So I'm gonna swatch it all. It's a good eyeliner, bro. Then this is the Brow It by Dongchan. This is their contour palette. Contour na to kasi ito yung another contour palette in the making. Ayan. Ayan. So this is their contour palette. Ayan. Para siyang Judy doll, guys. It looks like Judy doll, guys. Oh my god. It's giving me Judy doll vibes. It's so pretty with this one. And lastly, the one that I've been waiting for. This is from Sivana Colors. I usually find this online, but it's so hard to find this kind of palette online because it's not yet available. Other Sivana palettes are available, so ang hirap siyang buksan, guys. Sirahin ko na. Okay, sirahin ko na kasi hindi na siya. So I have two. So this is ito yung gusto, this is the Twilight Fairy. And I have the other one too. This is the Fairy Dust palette too. This is in the shade. This is Twilight Fairy. And this is Fairy Dust palette number 01. Okay, this is Fairy Dust 03. This is 01. This is Twilight Fairy. I don't know what's this. I don't know what shade is this. Let's aray ko. Ang hirap siyang buksan, guys. Ito yung mga ganito. Ang hirap siyang buksan. Ano ganito? Ang hirap talaga siyang buksan. Promise, guys. Mahirap siyang buksan kasi, kasi masakit ano siya. Ay! Hirap talaga. So, this is the, I think I forgot the two shades in here. This is Twilight Fairy. And then this is Glowing Petals. This is Twilight Fairy. This is from Sivana Colors, guys. I love the packaging of it. So, sa Thailand lang siya mahahanap. So, ayan. Natapos na rin sa Thai Beauty. Let's go on. Okay, mostly here are food. Food. So this is from Chatramo. Then mostly this is Milo Nuggets. Then of course, noodles na mga mama okay. Then Euro Cake, pambansang Euro Cake. Yan yung mga Euro Cake different flavors. I have also another tonkotsu from Mama Okay. Then ayan yung mga noodles. Euro Cake na to. Tapos may isa ako dito. Pambansang drink. Lactosoy. So may different flavors on Euro cake. I'm not gonna mention it. So this lactosoy, let's taste this lactosoy. And one. Gusto ko siyang inumin, guys. Sorry to brag about it, guys. Masarap siya, guys. Masarap siya. Ito yung best ever soy milk that I ever tasted. So that's it for my Thai haul. I just want to say thank you guys for watching and I hope you like this video. Just don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye guys!